Metal is the strongest material for chair industrial construction. A welded joint is as strong as the metal itself, and metal will not snap in normal circumstances. Simple metal work also tends to be cheaper than wooden equivalents. Metal chair bases stack the highest because the frame is thin and strong. Painted metal chips less than painted wood. Chairs with metal legs often have plywood or plastic molded shells, seat and back screwed to them. Most of us spend a lot of time in sitting position, so bringing the right chair is an important task as it affects your overall body posture. There are varieties of chairs available on the market. One among them is a metal chair. Many people use metal chairs at their homes or even in the offices as they have a longer durability and even their color will not fade out. Metal chairs can be moved easily from one place to another. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you modern metal leg chair design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. There are various types of metal that can be used in constructing a chair, such as iron, aluminum, and stainless steel. Iron and steel chairs are used for office purposes. Metal chairs are distinguished into different types, which include the metal folding chair, metal dining chair, and metal rocking chair, among others. These chairs are available in different colors as well as styles. Instead of going to each and every shop in the market for finding the best metal chair, you can buy metal chairs online at an affordable price. Metal dining chairs add a pleasing eye appearance to your dining area. Along with other metal chairs, you can opt for a metal table which will perfectly blend into your home decor and functionality to your dining space. Here are some of the reasons to consider a metal chair for your home. Number 1. It has great style. Metal chair comes in different styles and shapes. These chairs have natural colors and thereby providing a great visual appeal to your house. Their stylish design brings a positive influence to any home or work environment. Number 2. They are easily portable. As these chairs are light in weight, they can be transported easily from one place to the other. Carrying these chairs to any specific occasion does not require much effort. Number 3. Great longevity. Metal chairs are highly durable, which makes it perfect for any living environment. They eliminate the need for replacing the chair frequently. It's a one-time investment, as you can expect metal furniture to last up to 10 to 15 years or even longer. Number 4. Affordable. Metal chairs are low at cost, so you can bring the perfect metal chair for your home without worrying about the price. There is a wide range of metal chairs available in the market with different styles and sizes. You can choose the perfect metal chair for your home according to your taste and requirement. A metal chair can be easily integrated into every home and any room. Depending on your furnishing, you can choose different styles of metal chairs. For example, if your furniture is in a Scandinavian style, you should go for a white metal chair. If you choose your furniture in an industrial style, it is quite simple since the metal chair already belongs to the industrial style. You can therefore choose whatever type of metal furniture or metal chair you want. If you love the industrial style, you will probably already have a metal chair. If you are more of a vintage person and you like the used look, then you can also easily find a vintage metal chair. Don't worry, a metal chair fits to any interior style. The next question is now where to put the chair. This is easy to answer anywhere. You can really place your metal chair anywhere and it will look good. In a living room as an additional sitting furniture, as well as in the bedroom to put your clothes. But you can also use it in entrance hall to have a sitting furniture when you put on your shoes. Also in a corner of your apartment, a metal chair can be a good decorative element. Thus, your home is more comfortable and looks well furnished. There are not only metal chairs that can achieve the fabulous industrial style in your home. Also, other metal furniture can help you achieve the same great effect. For instance, you can buy an industrial bench and decorate it with many cushions. But also an industrial cupboard can make a great impression in your home. The combination of metal furniture with wooden furniture also gives a wonderful image. Industrial dining tables are also a good idea if you are looking for something that is easy to clean and at the same time brings a modern design into your interior. Metal chairs are available in many different sizes and shapes. If you are searching for something bigger, then you can also go for a metal armchair with tilted backrests. Furthermore, vintage bar stools are also a very good idea to be used in the garden. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting modern metal leg chair design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.